Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign in or create your Paperless Post account and verify your email. Once done, click Create and pick Card, Invitation, or Event. This determines layout and RSVP options. Next, enter the event basics: title, date and time, and location. Include virtual link if needed. Make sure to choose RSVP settings now so guest responses track correctly. These first choices shape design and delivery, so set them deliberately to avoid redoing templates later. Now design and manage who's invited. Customize your template by changing colors, fonts, photos, and the message. Use Preview to check layout on desktop and mobile. Then import contacts or paste a CSV. Add names, emails, and guest types so you can segment invites. Once guests are added, set RSVP deadline, reminder schedule, +1 policy, and meal choices if needed. These middle steps connect design to delivery, ensuring guests get clear instructions and you collect the info you need. Before sending to everyone, send a test invite to yourself to confirm links and formatting. Once satisfied, choose Send Now or Schedule for a later date. Paperless Post will deliver and track opens and RSVP on your dashboard. Monitor responses and export the guest list for seating or catering. If invites aren't delivered, first check spam folders and confirm email addresses. If problems persist, resend the invite or contact support. This final sweep guarantees delivery and keeps your event organized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.